Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will learn about upper function and lower function in Python. So let's see what we have implemented here. So firstly, we are using upper function. So what upper function will do, it will convert the variable data into uppercase. Okay, so as its name suggests, like it will convert the name to the uppercase. So here on line number 9, we are using one variable and we have stored Sharmit in it. So what it will do, on line number 11 we are using print function so that we will be able to print the output, and inside print function calculate we are converting it to uppercase. So this is the syntax. str means str means the variable for which you want to convert the data to uppercase. So name dot upper and then parenthesis. So this method will return the upper string of this variable name. So Sharmit will be converted to capital Sharmit. Okay, similarly, if you want to convert the data into lowercase, then you can use in this way. So I'm using name dot lower. So make sure that these things you are passing in the same way because it is case sensitive. So small lower is the only method that you can use, not the capital LOWER or anything other than this. Okay, so let's try to see the output. So I'm pressing Control tilde from my keyboard, so it will open a terminal for me, and then on this terminal we will execute the program. So for executing the program we will write Python, then space, and then the program name. So program name is session7.py, session7.py. If I hit enter, so it will show me the output. So here you can see that this Sharmit is converted to the capital letters and this text Sharmit is converted to the lowercase or small letters. Okay, so whenever there is any requirement where you want to convert your data, or means your variable to your string variable to uppercase or lowercase, in that case you can use that upper function or lower function. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will cover few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.